Okay, in this video, I'm going to talk specifically about what does L mean. Remember, we talked before, L is the shape. It has a number that's code for a specific shape. Now, as of right now, there are only 4 shapes that you need to be aware of because that's all that exists on the periodic table. I will tell you, in theory, there are an infinite number of shapes. The more elements we keep discovering, the more there could be. So the 4 shapes you need to know are 0, 1, 2, and 3. So what are these shapes? Well, when L is equal to 0, the shape is a sphere. We actually have a name for it. It's called the s orbital. It is the typical thing that you would have thought, oh boy, here comes the announcements.
We have a white Ford Explorer that needs to be moved and parked in the bus lane. Please, if you drive a white Ford Explorer and it's parked in the bus lane, please leave it. Thanks.
Okay, so it's the typical sphere that you might have imagined. Somewhere in this sphere are 2 electrons. We don't know where, just somewhere in this space. When L is equal to 1, that is a dumbbell shape. Okay, that's a dumbbell. That's supposed to be a dumbbell shape. Okay, that's called the p orbital. I'm going to put dumbbell so you know what I'm trying to draw, and its name is p. We'll do more with these letters a little bit later, but just learn what they mean right now. When L is equal to 2, I call it the butterfly shape, or you could say a flower petal. It's called the d orbital. And lastly, when L is equal to 3, this one has a very odd shape, so just kind of bear with me when I draw this odd space. I call it the crazy shape because the dimensions are really, really bad. I'll show you some online pictures of these. This is called the f orbital. Now, in case you're wondering how many of these are there, well, on any hotel floor, you're only going to find 1 of the S. You could find 3 P's, 5 D's, and 7 F's. That 1, 3, 5, 7 probably sounds a little familiar from your middle school days. So this is a short lesson on the meaning of L. I hope it was useful.